Hey everyone, Jason here, entrepreneur and digital marketer, and in this sales funnel software showdown, we are looking at LeadPages and ClickFunnels specifically, the top 5 reasons LeadPages is better than ClickFunnels. Make sure you check out the links in the description where we compare LeadPages and ClickFunnels to other softwares like OptimizePress and Thrive Themes, as well as a video of the top 5 reasons ClickFunnels is better than LeadPages. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right in. Reason number 5 is template selection. One of my main gripes with ClickFunnels for a while has been not only the smaller template library when compared to other page builders, but how alike the pages look. When you land on a ClickFunnels landing page, they all use about the same design and fonts. And so one of the things I really like about LeadPages is there's a lot of templates and there's a lot of variety. In fact, LeadPages has the largest selection of templates across all of the different page builders that we've tested on this channel. Now, reason number 4, LeadPages is better than ClickFunnels has to do with the page editor itself. They are both drag and drop. They both don't require any HTML, and they both provide mobile and tablet previews. So what's the big deal? What's the big difference? Well, the LeadPages ones I found to be easier to use and faster, more intuitive, and it's easier to move elements around the page. Now, ClickFunnels did do a recent update, so they're much closer to being the same, but I still preferred the page building experience on LeadPages, which actually leads me into reason number 3, and that is their standard editor. So way back in the day, we didn't used to be able to drag and drop things across the page. It was pretty much a static template, and all we could do was change the text and the images. Well, unlike most of the page builders out there like OptimizePress, Thrive Themes, and even ClickFunnels, LeadPages has actually left all of those legacy templates in there. They've just updated them so they look a little more Web 2.0. What I really like about these templates is it's super fast to get a landing page done because it restricts you from moving all of the elements, and it's designed to where if a string of text is too long or an image is too big, it will automatically resize things for you. So you're not clicking and dragging, you're not trying to reformat the page because your text or image doesn't really fit the template that you're using. I found it tremendously simple and easy to get a landing page done in less than 5 minutes. So that's why I really like the standard editor. Now, reason number 2, LeadPages beats ClickFunnels is the sub-account function. I'm sure ClickFunnels will eventually catch up and do this, but what's really nice is if you're doing this for clients or you have multiple businesses, you're working with multiple people or projects, is you can have sub-accounts, whereas ClickFunnels is just one account and it's really hard to share things across. Now, you can share funnels with a link, but then it duplicates that funnel into another person's account. You're not actually working on the same funnel, whereas with LeadPages, you can have a sub-account and then group A can have access to sub-account A and group B can have access to sub-account B. Now, finally, reason number 1, LeadPages beats ClickFunnels has to do with price, right? At the end of the day, what are we paying and what are we getting for it? In the first video where I talked about why ClickFunnels won, when comparing the price, you definitely do get a lot more for your value if you're just looking at dollar spent versus value on return. However, if you're on a budget and you're simply looking at which one is going to cost less and still get a very similar result, LeadPages wins. So at just $48 a month versus $97 a month, you're looking at $576 a year versus $1,164. So you're paying about half for LeadPages, and you're going to be getting everything you need to set up your landing page, set up your sales page, even have a basic checkout function, right? So in both cases, you're going to be able to set up a lead generation funnel, or at the very least, a basic sales funnel to collect emails and collect payments. And if you're just looking at which one's cheaper and going to get me to the starting line the fastest, it's going to be LeadPages. So I'm curious to hear from you if you would add or subtract anything from this list and what your experience has been with either one of these two page builders. Go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below because your feedback and experience is going to help other marketers and entrepreneurs figure out which solution is best for them. So if you got some value out of this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe because over on the channel, I do a lot of in-depth tech reviews just like this one, helping you figure out what software to use for your landing pages and sales funnels, as well as in-depth marketing tutorials on how to be successful with your Facebook and YouTube advertising. So go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment below if you have any questions, and as always, keep building the business you love.